Master the art of conversational English. Structuring long answers using examples and anecdotes. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into an integral part of conversational English, structuring long answers. More specifically, we're going to focus on the use of examples and anecdotes. These can enrich your responses, keep the conversation engaging, and help you communicate more effectively. So, let's get started. In the context of a conversation, an example is a specific instance used to illustrate a point. On the other hand, an anecdote is a short, interesting story about a real incident or person. Using examples and anecdotes in your responses can make them more personalized and relatable. This helps the listener understand and remember your points better. When you're giving a long answer, examples can serve as a support to your main point. They add credibility and clarity. Let's look at this in action. Suppose you're asked, "What did you enjoy most about your last job?" Instead of simply saying, "I enjoyed the teamwork," you could say, "I really enjoyed the teamwork." For instance, there was a project where we had to design a new website in 2 weeks. Our team worked together like clockwork, everyone knowing their role and executing it flawlessly. The final product was a success, and it was a very fulfilling experience. See how the example helps to clarify and illustrate the point? It turns a simple statement into a more detailed and engaging response. Anecdotes are powerful tools for adding a touch of storytelling to your responses. They're especially useful when you're describing personal experiences or emotions. Let's see an example. Imagine you're asked, "Tell me about a challenging experience and how you overcame it." Instead of a straightforward reply, you could use an anecdote. "One of the most challenging experiences was when I traveled solo to Japan. I didn't know the language or the culture. On my second day, I missed the last train back to my hostel and ended up stranded in a place where nobody spoke English. But I didn't panic. I used my phone to translate sentences and was able to communicate with a local who helped me find a taxi. That night, I learned to navigate through challenges calmly, and it turned out to be a great adventure." Notice how the anecdote made the response more compelling and memorable. It also allowed you to share more about yourself and your ability to handle difficult situations. So that's it for today, folks. Remember, examples and anecdotes can truly elevate your long answers in English conversations. They add detail, create engagement, and enable you to communicate more effectively. Don't be afraid to incorporate these into your responses. They might seem a bit challenging at first, but with practice, you'll master the art of giving enriching and captivating long answers. Happy learning!